It is springtime in South Yunnan, China, and the horsemen arrive from far and wide on their sturdy mountain ponies. It is time to harvest the region's prized pu'er tea, named after a local market town. The tender leaves must be processed and then transported to far distant markets in Tibet, India, Nepal, and Pakistan along the ancient tea road. It is the annual pattern of life that has been repeated for countless centuries. The horse drivers group to form caravans, some counting up to 300 horses and mules. With their loads of pu'er tea, they will traverse 20 mountain chains and cross 4 mighty rivers, including the Yangtze and the Mekong. Such was the scale of this road traffic in the past that their tracks are beaten deep into the rocks. From the Chinese borderland with Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam, their route will span the giant province of Yunnan, and then the legendary Shangri-La, cross the endless Bangda grasslands, and skirt the Himalayas to the roof of the world. It will take them 6 months to cover more than 4,000 kilometers to the great tea market of Lhasa.